Welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 25. Um, so does it matter where you create functions? So far, all your functions have been created at the bottom of your code. What do you think will happen if you call a function before it's defined? Notice that the red square is drawn before its function is created, while the green square is drawn after its function is created. Which of these do you think will be drawn? All right, so you have to pick A. The red square will be drawn, but the green one will not. You cannot call functions after they are created. B. The green square will be drawn, but the red one will not. You cannot call functions before they are created. C. Both squares will be drawn. You can create functions anywhere you like in your code. D. Neither square will be drawn. There is an error in the code. So we have draw red, and then we have the function, draw green function, and then the shortcut draw green. All right, so here's the thing. I know the answer, but I am not going to share that with you because I want to see what you guys come up with. I feel like this is like a little tiny mini quiz. Um, so I will explain the answer on the next level. And so I'm not going to actually press any of the buttons, but I'm just going to tell you, choose your best guess, and I will see you on level 5.